Oh, I think I finally got my room, my space back in order after that Halloween special. I had to take all of this away, put all the Halloween stuff up, and then put all the Halloween stuff away and put this all back up. It was a lot of work. It took a long time. I hope you got a chance to see the Halloween special. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if you did not, it's not too late. Even though Halloween 2020 is gone, you can still go back and see it. And I did want to note that some people, actually several people, commented on the video that they didn't recognize me. So I'm wondering if there are some people who didn't click because they didn't know it was me. So here's what the thumbnail looks like. That is me, believe it or not. Well, it's sort of me. If you watch the video, you'll know what I mean. So if you didn't see that, be sure to go check it out, and also check out the videos from Yota Style, Winnie B. LV, and Styled by Gwenny, who all collaborated with me on this. They're all fantastically funny. I mean, super scary. Okay, I have 4 Coach unboxings for you today. Let's get down to business. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. I feel like I'm mimicking Yota Style now after seeing her Halloween video. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. So like I said, I have 4 Coach unboxings, 2 in each of these bag box things. I'm gonna go ahead and get down to it. I'm gonna start with the bag on top, and I will say, I don't know if anybody, let me know if you care about this, because I hear people say this, so it's not a true unboxing because I've already looked at it. Do you guys care about that? Do you feel like you need to know if we've already looked at it? There's one item in here that I've looked at. The other 3 are true unboxings, but I have already opened the bags. There are like 2 big items and 2 small items, so let's start with one of the 2 bigger items, which is in here. This is an item that has been on my Coach wish list for about a year, almost a year, about 11 months. And I have an item that goes with it. I don't know. Originally, I thought about buying this item. I was really torn between whether I should get this item or the other item that I ended up getting. And then once I got that one, I was like, well, should I get the other one too? And it finally showed up at the Coach outlet, even though it is a boutique item. So I did finally pick it up. I almost bought it when it was on sale at Coach, but I didn't. And then I went to buy it and it was sold out. And I was like, oh no, I missed it. And then it came up on the outlet. So I was like, oh, okay, I better get it this time. And it is the rocket pouch, and it has a little tag attached which says nothing of importance. I was going to give you the actual name of it, but it doesn't say that. It just has a bunch of letters here. This retailed for $175. I think I got it on the outlet I got it for $78.75, which is $100 off of retail, which is very nice. So I'll give you a little spin here. I'm not going to go into too much detail about all these items since there are 4 of them. There's a zipper across the back there with a big chunky zipper pull, and it's sort of triangular shaped on the side. There you go, it's got the rocket, and that matches my big rocket Field Tote 40. So this will be a perfect addition to that. It also has a chunky zipper on the top, and inside it's the same microfiber interior as in the bag. It has 2 little card slots here, otherwise it's a big open space. It's a very dark maroon color. It's soft, it's pretty, has the little Coach emblem thing there. I always forget what that's called. And the zipper pouch on the back is lined in the same material there. So wonderful. The zipper is plastic. It's not a metal zipper. And then it has the Coach horse and carriage print on the back that they released about a year ago. And just like on the bag, you can see a couple of those little streams and a few little accents on the rocket over there are in a sparkly glittery gold. So fancy. Here is little item number 2. This item I got for a very particular occasion, 2 occasions really, one of which is the day that you're watching this video, which is, well, the day the video posts. Who knows when you'll watch it. Election Day is when it's posting, Election Day 2020. It's a bag charm, and it has a bunch of styrofoam wrapping up each little piece. So I'm going to take all that off so I can show you. in all its glory. And I'm also taking the little price tag off. It says this was originally it says comparable value $98. This is an outlet item, so I paid $40 for it. But here it is. I thought it was perfect for election day with the red, white, and blue stars. It has little metal accents in the center there, little metal stars, silver hardware. It also has a key ring. It has this little silver tag that says Coach. There are 4 different stars. If you turn it around, the backs of them are 2 are red and 2 are blue, like a navy. They're leather, and like with Coach bag charms, which I have been very impressed with, they are quite thick. And they have a glazing around the edge. You can see the little metal pieces on it there too. I thought $40 was a little much for this, especially since it's something I'll only wear mostly once a year, 4th of July, and then when election day rolls around every couple of years. But for the past many years, I've had red, white, and blue tassels that I've put on my bag for election day or 4th of July, and I thought this would be a nice piece in my collection because I know that I will use it. Even though it won't be used often, it will be used for a long time, and it's really cute. All right, now let's get into the box. There's a handbag in here, but I'm going to show you the other item first, and then with the handbag we're going to do a very quick what fits, because I'm curious, because the handbag I've already looked at and it was a little smaller than I was expecting it to be, so I want to see if the stuff I've been carrying lately on a daily basis in this bag will fit in that one comfortably. So here's another small item. Okay, this, I was expecting something different for some reason on this one. They sent me the right piece. It just isn't quite what I was expecting. It looked different online, I guess. It's another bag charm, and it's snowflakes. And I like that it's mixed metals and it has several different snowflakes in it. It has 4 different ones. But you saw how with the stars here, they kind of spread out where you can see a lot of the stars at once. Here it's just like a clump of snowflakes. You can't even really tell what it is. This one here has a lacquer on it, I guess. It's like a gold metal with a white lacquer. The rest are just metal, other than this one, which has little stones in it. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this one. I think this is going to go back. This says comparable value $98. I paid $40 for it, and I do not like it. $40 worth. If I'd been at the outlet store and seen this, I would not have bought it. It's a clump of, you can't tell what it is really. No thank you. I thought the snowflakes would be larger too. I don't like it. And especially for something that is seasonal and I won't be wearing a lot, just like the other piece, not liking this. This is going back. All right, and then there's the handbag, and this one I'm not sure if I want to keep either. I really like the idea of it, but there are a couple things about it that I'm not sure about, so let me show you. I'm gonna leave it wrapped like this for now and try not to unwrap it too much until I make my decision. But this is the Dempsey Tote. It is an outlet bag, so it was not a boutique bag at any point. And you can see it's like a small book tote, and I'll tell you about the price in a second. It's black leather, has 4 metal feet on the bottom, gold hardware. It has these 2 handles, which I'll show you in a minute when I take the stuffing out. They both fold into the bag, and then you can see it has hooks on either side, and that means it has a shoulder strap inside, but it's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. It says comparable value is $378. They had it on the outlet for $115. Now I love my field tote. I have a couple of bags that are this size and this style of bag, and I thought this would be a nice smaller version of it, but I thought it would be a little bigger than it was, which I've already said 20,000 times. But you can see just the size comparison there of these two and how much smaller this one is. And let me give you a couple measurements on it. The big tote is 40 centimeters across the bottom. This bag is only 29 centimeters across the bottom, which comes out to 11.5 inches. So 11.5 inches this way. If you take out the trim, it'd be just under 11 inches on the interior of the bag for space-wise, you know. And then if you don't include the feet, it is 8.5 inches tall, and it's 5 inches wide. The handles are leather. Let me just pull one up for you here. They're a flat leather that you can see. And the leather feels really nice. It's soft, it's lovely. Here's the strap. It's all wrapped up inside the bag, and it's attached with a little plastic string over here. Don't want to take it off yet in case I decide not to keep it. Here's the interior of the bag. So it's one big open space. And the interior is one of the ways that I can tell this is an outlet bag and not a boutique bag, because the bags I've purchased from the boutique have that microfiber lining like that Rocket pouch had. The tote bag has the same lining, but this is a fabric lining. Get it just a little closer there for you so you can see there's a zipped compartment in the back there, and then on the front there are two slip compartments right there. It's a really beautiful bag. I just want to make sure that it fits everything. Oh, and I was going to show you how the handles fold in. Also, there's this thing here. This is one of those Coach tags that hangs off like a decorative tag. The handles fold completely inside the bag. So when you carry it with a shoulder strap, and the shoulder strap is also a flat black leather. But when you carry it with the shoulder strap, you don't see the handles hanging out. It just looks like that, but you know, straps longer. All right, I started back to school this week and I've been carrying my Delightful PM, which has just been perfect. I love this bag. If you've missed the videos that I did on this bag a long time ago, just very quickly, it's very similar to the Neverfull MM size. It's about the same size as that bag, but it has the shorter shoulder strap. And what I have done is added this longer strap. And here, I'll give you a little mod shot to show you. But I got this strap from Dress Up Your Purse. I highly recommend it. The vachetta on this bag with the honeyed vachetta is a perfect match. It's beautiful. So let me show you. It's much easier for me to carry this bag with this longer strap than with the built-in one. So here it is on my shoulder, and then this also very easily goes crossbody. I love carrying the Delightful this way. It's just perfect like that. It's very easy to wear. It's very functional, as opposed to wearing it like this, where it's right under your underarm there and it slips off your shoulder very easily. This strap is really annoying. It's good as a handheld, like if it's on the seat of my car, to just reach over and grab that short strap, but when I wear it, I always wear it with a longer strap. All right, I'm gonna pull the things out of this bag that I've been carrying this week and put them into this bag, and let's see if it all fits comfortably. One of the things about teaching right now is that we have to take anything we take to school that we need, like I'm carrying 2 laptops, I'm carrying headphones, my rosters, assignments, anything we need for school, we have to take it back home and take it back to school and take it back home and take it back to school every single day, because we never know when the school might be shut down because of COVID. So we have to be prepared to teach at home the next day just in case. Super fun. So I'm carrying a few more things in my handbag than I would normally carry. This I would normally carry in my pochette accessoire, and that fits comfortably in there. I have a little COVID pouch. This is my smaller one. You might remember I also have the Coach one. If they still have that on the website, I'll link it below. I love that one. I have, because I teach yearbook, I have to be prepared to take photographs. So this is a little Tory Burch cosmetic pouch. And inside here, this is where I keep my point and shoot camera, along with extra batteries and memory cards. So that I can also fit there. Yeah, this is not gonna hold as much as the Delightful because it's a smaller bag. So far, that pretty much takes up all of the space in the bag, all the floor space. There's a little bit of space on top of those pieces still. I have the bag that my headphones go in. They're in the other room. They're big headphones. I do also carry a rolling cart to school, so I could put some of that in there, but it's already pretty full. I have a roll of gentle paper medical tape. This is to put on the bridge of my mask so that when I breathe out, it doesn't fog up my glasses. Handy tip for you. I should just take that roll out and put it in my COVID kit instead of having this whole big thing. And the last thing I have in here is this pouch. Look at this. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? It has lots of dachshunds. I don't know why they're out in the desert with a bunch of cactus. Not sure. But this was a birthday gift from Winnie B. LV. I have not done my birthday haul video yet, but I will soon, and you will see this featured in that video as well. It has a little clip on the side with a wristlet, and to that I have attached my school ID and my little door entry and my keys. And then inside this, I am keeping my technology that I carry back and forth, some USB drives and some extra cables that I need. So that I guess just has to lay on top like that because there's not a lot of other room in there. But there you go. You know what? I feel like I really do like this bag. I want to compare it to one other bag real quick. Let me grab that. All right, I wanted to compare this Dempsey Tote to this bag because I feel like they are very comparable in size and shape. So if you expand this bag all the way, you pull the sides out all the way, they're both just very boxy totes, right? I think the dimensions are even pretty much the same. Find my ever elusive measuring tape. It's 11.5 inches across the base. It is a little taller, 8.5 inches. Oh no, they're the same, 8.5 inches. This bag is a little wider. It's 6 inches compared to 5 inches. So there's where the difference would come in as far as capacity. This one has a little bit more space. It's a little bit deeper. Very similar bags. And then that begs the question, well, do I need both of these? I already have this one. Do I need this Dempsey Tote? Well, this one has silver hardware. This one has gold. I don't know, do I? What do you guys think? I like this bag. I do wish it was a little bigger. It's a decent price, $115. Well-made bag. It's nice. I love that it has the shoulder strap. I hate to unbox it before I really make a decision. I also hate to not like unwrap the shoulder strap and show you what it looks like because I want you guys to have the information you need if you're thinking about getting a bag like this. But I also don't want to unwrap it if I'm gonna send it back because I feel like that's just not cool. What do you guys think? I need help with this. I like the bag, but I'm kind of on the fence about it. I'm really perplexed, to be honest with you. Not sure. I just wish it was a little bit bigger, like a few inches bigger, and then it'd be a definite keeper. Let me know in the comment section below what I should do. Help. And with that, I'm going to wrap it up and eagerly await your responses. So thank you so much for watching. I hope if any of this was interesting to you, something that you're thinking about getting for yourself or for someone else, great holiday gifts, hello. The holiday season is upon us. I hope this was helpful or gave you some ideas. Hope to see you back here next time. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.